How do I convert hex to decimal in Python? I have some Perl code where the hex function converts hex data to decimal. How can I do it on Python?
Or read the docs.
If by hex data you mean a string of the form, you can use to convert it to an integer and to convert it to a decimal string. You could use a literal eval, or just specify the base as argument to int. A trick that is not well known: if you specify the base 0 to int, then Python will attempt to determine the base from the string prefix.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.